Oh yeah, look at that bad boy. She has popped open, I'm telling you. Oh my goodness. And me walking backward is not a good thing. Aha! There she is. Isn't she beautiful? That's the Idaho flower, the syringa, or the Philadelphus louisi. And then my Mr. Lincoln, look at how beautiful he has opened up this year. Oh, I love this rose. So pretty. And this is half wild and half, I don't know what the actual rose is, but she's a pretty one and so fragrant. My yard, you come out first thing in the morning and oh, it just hits you. Such a beautiful smell. She's a beautiful. There's a bud. Isn't that gorgeous? I love my roses. Alright, let's. And then I've got an orange rose over here. All of these roses are 28 years old. I started them from roots. Yeah. I must be getting too close to a mama robin. Her babies. Oh, except for the yellow one. I got him just a few years back on a clearance sale. And oh my gosh, they're just gorgeous, guys. Gorgeous. And they smell so good. My poor little yellow flowers got taken over by the geranium. I'm going to have to thin that out. But it's still alive and doing well. And hopefully I'm thinking it'll spread out. And then here's a rose bush that shouldn't have survived. But he did. Just a couple stalks. But we had one bloom. So the clematis hasn't opened up anymore, just what I showed you guys the other day, it looks like. But it's still beautiful. Beautiful. Got to come out and clean up these irises. They're looking a little pitiful. And then, of course, my little snaps. But my pansies. Let's get some close-ups. Oh, some more yellow. These guys have opened up, and this is just going to be full of blooms here in the next day or two. Some pretty colors on here. All of the flowers that I plant on a yearly basis, the annuals, I get them all on clearance. I don't pay full price for any of these. I just don't. And they last as long as possible. I just love the color of that maroon one and the orange. And my little miniature red rose. These desert roses. Sweet. And then we'll end up again on my syringa, or my popcorn bush. I just love it. All right, have a good night, all.